Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. I'm a former middle and high school language arts teacher, now working as an administrator, helping teachers, parents, and students work through the situation that's happening right now worldwide um, with technology tips and tricks. So today's tutorial will be very short. It's about how to use Google Meet, set up Google Meet meetings in Google Calendar. We're at that time of year where we start doing annual reviews for IEPs, students with IEPs, and most of those meetings, at least in our situation, are going to be taking place over the phone or through video conferencing. And so I wanted to show all the teachers, administrators out there how to set up those meetings where you can invite parents and students and guardians to those meetings through Google Calendar and set those up in advance. So what you'll see here is I actually have Google Calendar set up. This is my district account. And we're going to go really quickly. So if you'll create a new event here in Google Calendar, test for YouTube, we'll just put there. And down here, we're going to put more options. This is kind of the quick view. You can add guests, you can add room here. I like to use the full screen, so it's just my natural way. We can do it here if you want. So we are going to put my other account email address. So there's that. Here where it says add rooms, location, or conferencing, this is where you're actually going to add the Google Meet. So when you click here, you can add a specific room, a location, or add conferencing. And that's what we're looking at right here. So we're going to add conferencing. And there is the link right there. So it's created a brand new Google Meet link that will be sent out to all parties involved, right? So your special education teacher, your administrator, your parent, your regular ed teacher, the student possibly, maybe the guardian, the mom and the dad both. And then what we'll do is we'll click on save. Do I want to invite guests? Do I want to send a message? We'll send yes. That person is outside of my organization, which most of your people will be, obviously. You're going to invite internal or external guests. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to here and we're going to go to my inbox and you'll see an invitation right there. So we're going to click on that. And this is what it looks like, right? And so this is where you can see the invite. You can decline it. You can hit yes or no. So I'm going to hit yes. And it'll pop up on my calendar. And I don't use this obviously for different things like that, but you'll see that I have the event on my calendar. And if I want to, scroll down here, I'm beyond my time, there's this link right here that will show up on anybody that's been invited for the calendar. When I click on that, you'll see, I've got it right. I can join the Meets Hangout right now. So when I click on that, what it's going to do is it's going to pull up a new window that will be in Google Meet, and I can join the meeting. So you're familiar with this if you've used Google Meet, and I'm going to ask to join. When I click ask to join, go back over to the other account. I've got to join it on this side, and because I'm the host, I can join now. I'm going to mute myself, and then I can admit the person that's there, and you're going to get a little bit of an echo. But that's the easy way to connect Google Meet and Google Calendar. Very simply, very quick, very easy. You can add multiple people to this invite. And so if you have, specific people that are going to be at every meeting, you could actually create a group and just invite that group every time and then add the parent on after that. If you found value in this tutorial, it's helped you learn something new, or you saved you time, I would ask that you subscribe and like and share with other teachers in your building. Again, not only during this time, but forever and always, thank you for being an educator. Thank you for what you do for kids and their families on a daily basis. I love you. I appreciate you. And I'm glad you're here.